Welcome to a new day of growth, healing, and alignment with your highest self. Today's card is Justice, the card of truth, balance, karma, and moral clarity. This is a day to realign with your inner truth, to make decisions with integrity, and to bring your life back into harmony. Mind, heart, and spirit. Justice is not only about right and wrong, it is the deeper message of alignment, the harmony between what you think, what you feel, and what you do. This card asks you, are your actions matching your intentions? Are your choices aligned with your truth? Is your heart in harmony with the path you've chosen? Today is a day to pause, breathe, and reflect on the balance within you. Justice invites you into honest self-reflection, not to judge yourself, but to see clearly, without filters, without excuses, without fear. This clarity brings power. You are asked to be truthful with yourself. What needs your attention? What needs to shift? What truth have you been avoiding or postponing? Justice reminds you that truth, even when uncomfortable, is profoundly liberating. Justice is also the card of karma, not punishment, but consequence. Every choice creates a ripple. Every action plants a seed. Today, you are invited to observe the patterns in your life with compassion. What lessons keep returning? What experiences are asking you to grow? Where is the universe nudging you toward balance? Karma is not fate, it's feedback, a loving reminder that your soul is always guiding you toward alignment. Justice supports you in making clear, empowered decisions. If you've been weighing options, seeking clarity, or feeling torn between choices, this card brings focus. Today's practice. Take a moment to sit quietly and place one hand over your heart. Ask yourself, what aligns with my highest truth? Which choice brings me closer to balance, peace, and integrity? Trust the answer that rises gently from within. Affirm, I choose truth, I choose balance, I choose what aligns with my highest self. This alignment opens the door to peace, confidence, and inner freedom. Justice also speaks to emotional and spiritual balance. If your energy has felt scattered, this is your invitation to return to your center. Find stillness. Find harmony. Find your equilibrium. Balance is not about perfection. It is about adjusting, realigning, and returning to your truth whenever you drift. Today, honor the truth within you. Let justice guide you toward clarity, balance, and alignment with your highest self. Join us again, and one of the Omniscient family will be here to guide you as the Hanged Man invites you into a space of surrender, clarity, and inner transformation.